friends, welcome to my channel The Big Crypto. Today's video about new crypto game. Please subscribe the channel and like this video. Let's start the video. Crypto Bird is a play-to-earn runner where you play as a bird, unique in style and gameplay, flapping your wings to gain height and maneuvering through hazards on your path, achieving the highest possible score for a piece of the rewards. As Qchain's first play-to-earn blockchain game, it combines in-game characters as NFTs with a rewards pool to incentivize a vibrant gaming community and encompass the true play-to-earn mechanics. Crypto Bird will be featuring a rewards pool, funded by the initial sale of the NFT collection, and fueled by secondary sales as well, where players will be competing for a slice of the daily rewards issued by the pool. The player's score, combined with their bird rarity, will have a multiplier effect on the total claimable rewards by day, meaning the better your score and the higher the rarity of your bird, the bigger the rewards.